Good morning to all of you. How are you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I am also fine, sir, to you. One thing is that I have two brothers. My second brother, Pramod Pandey, lives in Gujarat. He works in Gujarat. Once upon a time, some women were gathered at my home, Rampura. They were discussing themselves that Pramod Pandey lives in Gujarat, he works in Gujarat, but where is Gujarat? They were discussing about this matter. Then someone was telling that Gujarat is in Jharkhand. And someone was telling that no, wrong, Gujarat is in Bihar. And I was sleeping beside them when I heard this voice. I started to smile, but they could not decide that what is Gujarat, what is Bihar, and what is Jharkhand. So, I would like to know from you that why could they not decide the correct answer? This is correct answer. So, this is the topic. Education. This is the topic. Today's topic is education. First of all, we have to know that what is education. Yes, we know that education is derived from educate. Yes, education, the word education is derived from educate. EDUCATE. Educate.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. And next, son. TION, son. Yes, there are two words, educate and son. TION, son. What is educate and what is son? Yes, educate is a, and son.
Suffix.
Son is a suffix. Son is suffix. Yes, it is a Latin word. Educate means to teach somebody. When we add son at end of educate, then it will be education. Yes. Now, education. What is education? Education process. Education is a process. We learn something through it. It is such a process that we can be educated, we can be learned anything. Yes. So this is a poem. This is a poem, and who has written this poem? It has not been mentioned in the book. Yes. 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 Left F suffix and prefix. Prefix. There are two things, prefix and suffix. For example, this is a word. Yes. Prefix. When a letter or a group of letters we add at the last of a word to change its meaning. That is suffix. Okay. For example, education, GIOA. Education has been added at the last of educate. So sir is suffix and prefix. When we add a letter or a group of letters at the beginning of the word to change its meaning, that is prefix. Okay, sir? Yes. Now,
Kisar.
can I repeat this poem? So please repeat. Education helps us in strife. Education helps us in strife. Education helps us in strife. With education, we can lead our life. Things can come and go. No one can steal. Whatever you know. Education never ceases. With education, our knowledge increases. In 6 lines, first is education helps in strife. Okay, so strife. First is strife. STRIFE. Second, siege. There are many hard words in this poem. Encourage. First of all, we have to know strife. Can you tell me about strife? Anyone? Yes, Devi. Difficulty? Yes, Devi. It means trouble, yes, and we can say conflict. Strife means trouble, according to Didiji, and conflict. Okay. Siege.
Stop.
Siege means yes, sir. A stop. Very good. And increase.
Enhancement.
Yes, sir. Enhancement. And increase means
Improvement.
makes greater. Okay. Makes greater. Okay. Now we see 6 lines. Education helps in strife. Education helps us in strife. When we are in trouble, strife means trouble, conflict. When we are in trouble, then if we are educated, then education helps us in that trouble. That what to do before and after. So this education tells me and tells us. Next, with education we can lead our life. With education, if we have education, then our life, we can lead our life. we can go with education. Things can come and go. We have many things. We have buses, cars, lands, money. Yes, but what will happen? One day, a thief will come and steal these things from your home. Thus, you will not have anything. It means things are not valuable. Yes, but if you have education, no anyone can steal. So this line says, no one can steal whatever you know. If you have knowledge, if you have education, then no anyone can steal these things. Next, education never ceases. Education is such a thing which cannot stop. Yes, cease means stop. Education never ceases. Your things, you have things can stop. But what you know, you have knowledge, it will not stop. This is very valuable thing. Next, with education, our knowledge increases. Our knowledge increases. How does it do? With education. Next, repeat my words. Life is journey.
Life is journey.
Education is the station.
Education is the station.
It is the mixture of knowledge
It is the mixture of knowledge
and creation.
and creation.
We lead our life
We live our life
with reason.
with reason.
With it, life
With life
becomes an enjoyable season.
becomes an enjoyable.
Education teaches us
Education teaches us
how to mention.
how to mention.
With education,
With education,
we can deal with tension. Life is a journey. Journey means yes, travel or tour. Life is life is a journey. Life is just like travel from childhood when I was born. Yes, this travel starts from there, and education is the station. Just like a station, you know, a station, a stopping place, hall. Yes. So education tells me that where have I to go and where have I not to go. Education tells us. It is the mixture of knowledge and creation. Education is the mixture. Mixture means duff of knowledge. Education is mixture of knowledge and creation. Creation means production. Yes, if we have education, if we are well educated, then we can product anything. Yes, we lead our life with reason. We lead and we live with education, with reason. Yes, with reason. Reason means just like logic. Yes, here in this poem, this word has been described like logic. Yes, we live our life will do according to with reason. Yes, what is wrong, what is right, this may be reason. With it, life becomes an enjoyable season. With it, life becomes an enjoyable season. If we have education, then our life will be cheerful. Our life will be happy. Yes, enjoyable, pleasant. Education teaches us how to mention. Education, if you have education, if we have knowledge, we can mention anything properly. With education, we can deal with tension. If we have education, our tension will be solved, will be dealt with easily. Yes. Next, please repeat. Education makes the nation strong. It distinguishes between right and wrong. It makes us successful. It lights up. It lights up our life if it's dull. It opens petals of our mind. It's the precious ornament we will ever find. Education makes the nation strong. Yes. Education makes the nation strong. If all the people of our country are educated, then our nation will be strong. Our nation will be able to do any work. Yes? It distinguishes. Can you tell me please if you know? Yes, shows difference. Yes? If we have education, then we can shows difference. If we have knowledge, if we have education, then we can show different. Okay, that what is right and what is wrong. This is distinguishes. It makes us successful. If we have knowledge, if we have education, then we have available all the things to do in our life. So we can get success. It lights up our life. It lights up our life. If it's dull, if our life is dull, if our life is dull means disappointed. Yes, if we are disappointed, then if we have education, then education lights up our life. Next, it opens petals of our mind. Yes, petal means leaf. Yes, floral leaf. It opens petals of our mind. If we have education, then our mind, then a leaf opens in my mind to do any work easily and happily. It's the precious ornament we will ever find. Education is just like ornament. Yes, you know ornament? Jewels? Yes. So, this is just like ornament. Yes. This is summary of this poem. Now,
Sir, I want to know that what education in the parts of speech, noun or verb?
yes, sir. Education is a noun. Education is a noun.
And what is the purpose of this poem, education?
Education. The purpose of this education is to learn anything through school. We should educated. We should inspire from scholars. Yes.
To develop our skill or character or education.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Education means schooling. It may be said schooling. Now,
Sir,
yes, sir.
what is the meaning of conflict?
Conflict.
Conflict means
Yes, sir. Conflict means I have written, sir, trouble or strife, sir.
trouble.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. And one question more. You have explained very well what is prefix and suffix. I have also heard a term that is affix. Can you tell me what is affix?
Affix?
Yes.
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Conflict means trouble.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now,
May I have a question?
yes, sir.
This is the classroom.
Yes,
This
sir.
is not the principal somewhere. You have taught all the things in a good manner, and I hope everybody has got something. But when we enter in the school campus, we have the first activity as the morning assembly or morning prayer.
Yes, sir.
In the Hindi prayer, the last stanza says something. All the stanzas say something, but the last stanza says something special because you have used the term strife. You have used the term strife there. Is there something? I'm giving you the line. Lavakus dhruv prahlad baneham manavata ka tras hareham. I have written that very line, these lines here. And what is the connection with that very stanza, with this poem you have dealt with here in the classroom?
Yes, sir. As I understood that education means a well-cultured person. Yes. So, as principal sir told us, given an example, Lava Kush Dhruva Prahlad. Yes. They were also well cultured. They were educated. Yes. Inside them, inside their heart. Yes. So we should inspire. We should inspire from this poem. Like Dhruva Prahlad.
Okay. I will discuss later on whenever you will finish. One more question. You haven't talked about rhyming words and rhyme scheme. As Amit ji and others have already discussed about these things. When you were teaching the poem,
Yes.
it is essential to mention from the very beginning classes.
Yes.
Otherwise, they would not get the proper information here, and in the higher classes, they would fail to understand. So, if you have something to
Yes,
say
yes.
about rhyming words and
Yes,
rhyming
sir.
scheme,
Yes.
come on.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 stanzas here. Yes. And 2, 4, 6. 6 3 is 18. There are total 18 lines. Yes. We see the last word of these lines. Last word is strive. Education helps and strive. With education, we can lead our life. Things can come and go. No one can steal whatever you know. Yes. The last word of the first line is life.
First line is strife.
Strive, sorry. Strive. And second is life. We know strive. Yes. Strive and life. Both pronunciation is same. So we can say that strive is the rhyming word of life. Strive, life. If you have another word, then you may take. Strive, life. Next, things can come and go. No one can steal whatever you know. Last word is go and last word is here, no. Both pronunciation is same. Go, no. Okay? Next, education never ceases. With education, our knowledge increases. Here is ceases and next is increases. These are rhyming words. Okay? Now, I ask you, Life is a journey. Education is the station. It is the mixture of knowledge and creation. So please tell me, Sweta Didi, what is the rhyming word of a station here? I repeat these two lines. Life is journey. Education is the station. It is the mixture of knowledge and creation. Okay, I am asking you about a station. Creation. Very good answer. Clapping for her. Okay. Next, we lead our life with reason. Here is reason. Next, with it life becomes an enjoyable season. So, what is the rhyming word of reason? Yes, season. Very good answer. Next, education teaches us rhyming words here. You may know these rhyming words. Now, Sandeep sir, please stand up and tell me answer. When does education help us? When does education help us?
Education helps us in strife.
Very good answer, sir. Clapping for him. Yes, sir. Now,
Finished?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Very categorically and clearly, in almost all the public schools, social science teachers are the English teachers. Point one. Keep it in your mind. Especially in lower classes, up to 8. Social science teachers are English teachers. And as they are English teachers, and at the same time, they haven't studied English, that's why they don't have the proper information. I asked about one thing, two things, rhyming words and a rhyming scheme. Didn't I ask? But he talked about rhyming words, but he didn't talk about the rhyming scheme. When he talked about rhyming words, he couldn't say the particular thing. And particular thing is that we have to break the word in the syllables. And the intonation of the last syllable must be alike. It's not essential that the word should have the proper intonation. The last syllable must have the same intonation. We have region and season. We don't have the rhyming with the help of the word. We have the rhyming with the help of the last syllable. Am I right or not? This should be very clear and particular. So those who are from social science and have been teaching English, it is their duty to know all these things. And in good grammars, these topics have been properly dealt. Clear-cut point. You can't say that I'm not from English. You can't say. If you are teaching, you should be well equipped with that information. It is expected. Point 2. When I talked about Love Kusudur Prahalad Baneham, Manavta Ka Tras Hareham, and in the poem, the last word of the first line is a strife. This is the tras. This is the tras.
Difficulties of another person.
So, education gives us potential way of thinking to redeem the persons who are in strife. We have to help. Do we help the people in at Chatra and outside Chatra when they are in strife? Can anybody share any information he or she has? 1, 2. Okay. Ajay Ji.
anyone besides Chatra, such as a student, Mr. Ravi Kumar is in Air Force. He is posted in Calcutta, and by chance my relative is in Calcutta. He is the learner of Ravi Kumar. He asked me that how can you help me? He asked him for help. I contact that person and encourage the student and advise the relatives to help the Ravi Kumar as possible.
Okay. Ji, have you something else to say?
I will only say that with the help of sanskar, it is also an example. With the help of sanskar, can we be healed or we manage, we give something to them to come out of their
Okay. So many ways. About 3 or 4 years ago, during the winter season, we collected some
Fetters.
one crore. What for that? That was for the persons who are in the strike. Number 2, we have been learning Sanskar Kendras to redeem them from the poverty, from the backwardness, mental backwardness, social backwardness, educational backwardness, and we have been coming forward to provide them some sort of relief. And third one, we have been doing for 15 days. What is that? Samarpan Pakwa. 15 days, that is fortnight. We collect the money, the help from the children, and we are also expected to help them. So they are to be taken out of the strife with the help of education. I was talking about that. My central point was there. If you are talking about a strife, what is there in our daily prayer? If we get the proper education, we are in a position to be the part and parcel of a person who has been facing the problems, who are poverty stricken, who are suffering from different kinds of diseases. The last one I would like to stress upon is here. Petals which have been used there, they are not really petals, they are the portals. Portals to open our life for different circumstances. Education provides us portals. We can go ahead, we can serve the poor, we can educate somebody, we can help somebody by means of clothes, by means of money, by means of food, by means of books, by means of copies. When there are 3 or 4 persons who generally go to celebrate their birthdays in the Sanskar Kendras, and there they distribute clothes, sometimes chocolate, sometimes coffees, sometimes pencils, sometimes eraser, and this one, that one, sweets also. At the same time, what do we do on Makar Sankranti? We have been providing a special thing. What is that? Chura Guru. This time I was also present at Suraj Mandir, Chatala, and these things were distributed among the strife-stricken people. A last point. Here we have this one. This is not the prefix. ION is the prefix, suffix, not prefix. ION is the suffix, not TIY. As you don't have the information about the prefix and suffix in almost all the good grammars, these topics have been abundantly used and they have been providing us a lot of information. So don't misguide this. Be well informed and come forward to tell everything in the right order. And we have I have the point I'm talking about, the 7 ages. Those who have read the poem, the seven ages. All the world is a stage, and all the men and women are merely characters. So, if we have education, only then we can play the right role. I'm talking about one very important point. When we get up early in the morning, we wear, after having fresh new clothes, we go at home, we change our clothes. We go from home to market, we change our clothes. We come from market, we change our clothes. We go to sleep, we change our clothes. And they also, these steps also say that these are the porters, these are the painters. And they have been providing us proper way to live life. Next, one thing more I have already noted. Being an English teacher, we should be particular about the language. Particular about the language. When he started saying something, I'm not humiliating anybody, I'm telling everybody. He started his class. There was no coordination between reporting power and reported speech. Aminji, am I right or wrong? There was no coordination between reporting power and reported speech. Your talent, your ability, your quality is judged by others. Don't be a boaster. Be a confirmed person to have the knowledge. And while delivering in the classroom, the process that we have adopted today, this is not the last process. The last process should be implementation of this very spirit in the classroom. Teaching class.
Sir, you must add one thing more, sir. He confirmed me that conflict is the synonym of the singular.
Whatever, sir, during today's more questions, I have given him some information to have proper studies, and earlier also I told him, whichever word you are going to use, be ready with synonym as well as antonym. Proper meaning. Everybody should be perfect, and everybody will have to take up the class. Okay, Sandeep.